Hi, this is Bruce Dueck with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm here today to talk about mortgage myths. And with me here today is Shea Peck with Bank of England Mortgage, and she's going to tell you about the number one myth that she runs across relating to mortgages. So Shea, tell us, what is this number one myth?
Thanks, Bruce. First and foremost, I would say the first myth people have or hear of is that you're required to put 20% down in order to obtain a mortgage. So the reason I think that myth exists, or why people hear that, is because often you're told if you don't put down 20%, then you do pay something called private mortgage insurance. The private mortgage insurance really has no benefit whatsoever to the buyer. It protects the bank in the event that the borrower defaults. If they haven't put that 20% down, that's obviously a risk that the bank is taking on. So we do require that private mortgage insurance is paid if they don't have 20% down. However, you can still do many loan programs. We have first-time homebuyer programs that will finance 100%, and then conventional products that can do as little as 3 to 5% down. The VA has no down payment whatsoever. If you don't want to put money down, it will finance 100%, and FHA is 3.5% down. So I would say one of the biggest myths would be that 20% down is required.
Wow. So it sounds like the VA is the best bet for most people. If you're a veteran, 1% is the initiation fee, I think, and nothing down. USDA is nothing down, and then 3.5% for FHA, and then conventional can be anywhere in between those ranges. Is that right?
Right. And all the first-time homebuyer loans can be 100% financing, and that does include VA loans, FHA loans, and conventional. They offer all three of those products at 100% financing. So depending on the buyer's situation, they could qualify for one of those two.
Great. Well, thank you for busting that myth for us today, because you hear so often 20% down, I've got to have this big down payment. But there are programs and ways to work around it, and you're available to consult with people about those kind of issues. Is that right?
Absolutely.
If somebody wants to get started, they could call you or call me, and we can help them find what's the best fit for them. Well, thank you very much for addressing that question for us today. We really appreciate that.